So we start out today's video with this bob haircut transformation. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Comes to a round jawline and features an off-center part. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we have someone. Oh wow, look at this beautiful pixie style. I really like the overall shape and texture that this has. A lot of body, a lot of movement. And this style just instantly made her look more youthful and younger. What an amazing transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair changes, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who decided to go blonde. This one features the face framing highlights. Beautiful bright blonde color, darker roots, really creating a nice little ombre effect. Gorgeous. Absolutely love this hair color. So here we have someone who has long waist-length hair. And she has also decided to go with like an ash blonde color. Beautiful highlights in the front to frame the face once again. Dark roots as well. Absolutely gorgeous. What a transformation. So then we move on to this pink pixie. This is like a rose gold pinky color. And then we have another long to short transformation. So she has the scissors. I love it when the stylist lets the client cut the hair first and then goes in and makes sure to give the hair proper cuts. So she is getting a bob haircut with this one. And this bob is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely a classic, nice, thick, and full. Gorgeous. And this one ends just around the shoulders. So then we have another hair color change. absolutely gorgeous bob haircut. She also went with ash blonde. So pretty. So we have the stylist cutting some bangs. Looks like she's getting more of like a layered haircut. Oh, I love her natural wavy curly hair. So pretty. So we see a layered hair trend or layered hair look on curly hair. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we move on to the cutting of a pixie. Now this is a very short and stylish pixie. Oh wow, loving the results with the spiky texture. Very nice. So it looks like we have someone kind of trimming their ends. Very nice. She has like a shoulder length layered haircut. Alright you guys, so I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.